Welcome to our video comparing two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. In today's review, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and how they stack up against each other in terms of performance and usability. Whether you're looking for a washing machine for your apartment, dorm, or RV, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes an 11 pounds washer and a 6.6 pound spin dryer. This makes it ideal for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, which is suitable for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. If you need to wash more clothes at once, the BANGSON is the better option. In terms of design, the BANGSON machine has a larger footprint, making it less portable compared to the foldable design of the portable washing machine. The BANGSON is designed for more permanent placement, while the portable washing machine can be easily stored away when not in use, making it a great choice for those with limited space. When it comes to functionality, the BANGSON offers 3 wash modes: soft, normal, and drain, along with a dedicated spin dryer for better cleaning results. In contrast, the portable washing machine also has 3 washing modes but lacks a spin dryer, which may be a drawback for users looking for a comprehensive washing solution. The BANGSON's higher spin speed of 1,700 revolutions per minute further enhances its cleaning efficiency. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths. The BANGSON is ideal for those needing higher capacity and more features, while the portable washing machine is perfect for those prioritizing portability and compactness. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.